Welcome to Miss Studio's guide to new Adobe Photoshop features. Hello, creative minds of Miss Studio. We're thrilled you're here, ready to dive into the exciting world of Adobe Photoshop's latest and greatest features. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your Photoshop journey, we've got something special in store for you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the most innovative tools and updates that Adobe has bestowed upon its flagship software. Get ready to unlock a new level of creativity as we explore these features together, step by step. From simplifying complex tasks to introducing groundbreaking capabilities, Photoshop continues to empower users worldwide. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills to harness the full potential of these advancements. So grab your digital paintbrushes, and let's embark on this exciting adventure of mastering the latest Adobe Photoshop features. Before we unlock the treasure chest of Photoshop's latest features, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you become part of the Miss Studio family and gain access to a wealth of creative content. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to elevate your Photoshop skills. Stay in the loop with our regular uploads and never miss out on valuable insights and inspiration. Our channel is your one-stop shop for all things Photoshop, designed to help you unleash your artistic vision and master this powerful software. Don't just be a viewer. Join our vibrant community of learners and creators. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications. Let's embark on this creative journey together, one Photoshop tutorial at a time. Adobe Photoshop is renowned for its constant evolution, always pushing the boundaries of image editing and digital art. The latest versions boast features designed to streamline your workflow and empower creativity. The enhanced object selection tool offers greater accuracy in identifying and selecting objects. Another game changer is the revolutionary neural filters. These filters offer a range of creative possibilities, from changing facial expressions to transforming landscapes. The improved sky replacement feature makes swapping skies easier and more realistic. These are just a glimpse of the many treasures in the latest Photoshop versions. Section 4. Removing objects like a Photoshop wizard. Remember the days of painstakingly removing unwanted objects from your photos using the clone stamp tool? Well, those days are long gone, thanks to Photoshop's object removal tool. This magical tool uses advanced algorithms to analyze your image, identify the object you want to remove, and seamlessly blend the surrounding area for a flawless result. It's like having a digital eraser that understands context and preserves the integrity of your image. To use this feature, simply open your image in Photoshop and select the Object Removal tool from the toolbar. Then, paint over the object you want to remove. You can adjust the brush size and shape for greater precision. Once you've selected the object, Photoshop will analyze the surrounding area and automatically fill in the gap, seamlessly blending the pixels for a natural look. You can fine-tune the results using the tool's settings, adjusting the blending mode, opacity, and more. Whether it's a distracting tourist in your vacation photo or an unwanted power line ruining your scenic shot, the Object Removal tool empowers you to remove these elements with ease and achieve picture-perfect results. Section 5. Transforming backgrounds with ease. Changing the background of an image used to be a time-consuming task, often requiring advanced Photoshop skills. But not anymore. Photoshop's improved background replacement features make this process a breeze. With the enhanced Select Subject command, you can now accurately select the main subject with a single click. Photoshop's AI analyzes the image and creates a precise selection, even for complex subjects like hair and fur. Once selected, you can easily replace the background using the Quick Actions panel. The software blends the subject seamlessly into the new background for a realistic result. With these powerful tools, you can effortlessly create stunning composites or give your images a fresh new look. Section 6. Stay tuned for more Photoshop magic. Congratulations! You've now unlocked some of the most powerful features in Adobe Photoshop's latest arsenal. But this is just the beginning of your creative journey. Adobe is constantly innovating and adding new features to Photoshop, so there's always more to learn and explore. Stay tuned to Miss Studio for the latest updates, tutorials, and inspiration to help you stay ahead of the curve and continue pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Remember to practice what you've learned, experiment with different techniques, and most importantly, have fun. The world of Photoshop is your oyster, so go forth and create something amazing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials and creative adventures. We can't wait to see what you create.